Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Please do respond. Am I audible? I hope you are able to chat in chat box, right? Yeah. Okay. So I think I can start, and I may need to wait for some more people to join. Okay. So let me introduce myself before going to start this session. And yeah. So my name is Akbar. Uh, I'm having almost 17 years of experience in various edtech companies. I worked as a corporate trainer for various edtech companies as Python, data science, machine learning, deep learning, okay, and generative AI, natural language processing, and even I can handle Java. So I worked for some companies as a developer as well. So and I'm the trainer for this course, and already you aware of the course content and tentative schedule for this course already given. So the expectations from this course is very clear. So it's a fully hands-on sessions. So it's a uh, uh, mostly the coding sessions. So irrespective of your background, I'll start from scratch. Okay. I hope most of the students are maybe from BTech background. I think so. Okay. So whether you are having some programming knowledge or not, whether you know C or Java or some other, but I'll start from a very scratch. I'll start from very basics. Okay, so that you can able to write some program on your own. That is the objective of this. And at the end of this course, definitely you are in a position to write some sample project. So that will be uh, useful even for your profile, or even you can have in your resume. You can keep the projects. So that is the main intention of this course. So let me know if you have any queries, or just you can type your name and your background in the chat box so that I'll have some more clarity on your background. Okay, you can type your name and from where you are from, and you can have your background, whether you are a BTech student or BSc student or PG student. Yes, I'm not getting any information, or at least I'll give a chance. You can talk. Okay, so I've given a chance to Meenakshi, Chinmaya Meenakshi. You can unmute and you tell me where you are from and what's your background.
Yeah, very good evening. My name is Chinmaya. I'm working as a financial consultant in Oracle, almost having 20 plus years experience, and I am willing to work in the development courses. I know which is the current technology. So basically, I completed my BSc and MSc Computer Science, and currently I'm doing MBA in Manipal University. I'm
Okay.
willing to interest to learn this Python because I know which is dominating in the, right now in the current in the market. I know the way how
Yeah,
it
yeah.
is getting dominated. So I will
Do
because
you have any
early,
programming knowledge?
yeah, yes, initial days I started my career as a programmer only. So
Okay.
I worked in those days on Unix and COBOL and Pascal, C, C++.
Okay.
Those days, and then on 2004 I started to work on ERP, which is Oracle. Then I fully focused on the past 20 years. I'm working as a financial consultant on the implementations, and right now I'm in Malaysia.
Okay.
And almost I completed here 10 years in Malaysia, and before
Okay.
that I worked in Dubai. In
Okay.
Dubai, there only I started. I switched over into Oracle technology, and right now because my because of the current environment, and I'm planning to be again be a developer in especially in the Python. I know because I attended a couple of courses for AI also, so it will give me some more experience on these industries and these tools. So that's the reason I get impressed, because today only I saw this notification, then I thought to join.
Okay, yeah, good. So that
Thank
is
you.
good intro from your side. Yeah, next Dinesh Reddy.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, this is Dinesh. Right now, I'm looking for the job, so I think this is the good path in learning for my Python development state. But previously, I have taken that AWS DevOps in this Logic Labs. So this lecture is awesome. So that's why I choose it again to Python development in this career path. So this is the way.
Okay, what's your background?
Yeah, I'm from BTech Tribuli.
Okay, where you are from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Where in Andhra Pradesh?
Kadapa district.
Okay. Which college you completed BTech?
JNTU Kakinada.
JNTU Kakinada campus.
Yes.
Okay, then you didn't get any placement?
No, actually, my password is 2017. Actually, I was working in non-IT sector. So right now, I think I was moving to the IT side. So this is the developer is good and well for me.
Yes. Okay, yeah, that is good. Yeah. Okay, next Gajapati Rai. I hope Gajapati Rai is available.
Sorry, yes, I had put in chat message. So yeah, so I was basically into ERP background in my career, but I understand the technology behind it, but not a hardcore programmer.
Okay.
So and started with SQL, PLSQL as a Oracle developer. So where it was forms, reports, level of programming which I had done in the past. But in the recent times, I'm into ERP. But Python is something which interested to learn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I have enrolled.
So your background is?
BTech.
BTech, okay.
Yeah, and yeah.
BTech Computer Science?
Computer science, yes.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am at present at London.
London. Okay.
Yeah.
That is good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Next, Jhansi Lakshmi. Jhansi Lakshmi. I think you are there, Jhansi Lakshmi. Okay, so Krishna Darshi.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. Yeah, myself, Krishna, and I actually I worked in Infosys last 2.2 years as a DevOps engineer. With working with Ansible and Chef Cookbooks, the configuration management tools.
Okay.
And with completion automation task I was worked at. Actually, I was resigned in Infosys in the last year.
Okay.
Right now, I'm trying the job. The pipelines are trying to work with the Wipro. That is the first round is completed. Right now, everybody asking with the AWS with the DevOps also. Right now, with the DevOps also completely asking everyone Python skills compulsory.
Yes.
With DevOps also some automation task every automation task complete not possible with the code. So Python is need mandatory for the automation task also. But with the DevOps part also mandatory skills everyone asking.
Yes, yes.
So that's the reason I need to join.
Your
this.
background also BTech only.
Yeah, BTech only. Yes.
You are from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh, from Guntur.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, good. Okay. Next, Navyasri. Yes. Navyasri. Are you there, Navyasri? Jansi Lakshmi, are you there? Okay. Next, Peri Bofang.
Yes, present.
Yeah,
Good afternoon, everyone.
yeah.
I'm Perry Buffon from Cameroon.
From?
I'm from Cameroon.
Okay.
Yes. I recently completed my BSc in physics. I do not have a computer background. I did theoretical physics. So currently I'm into cryptocurrency. The reason why I joined the class was because I wanted to go into data analysis, and Python was one of the requirements. I'm required to know Python programming so that I can use it for data analysis. So that is the reason why I am in the course.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Okay. Next, Nikita. It's only just a formality. Okay, don't need to feel shy to share your details. It's just intro only. We are just to know the background and that's it. It's not more than that.
Okay. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
My name is Nikita. I come from Hyderabad. I'm still pursuing my BTech second years.
Okay. Which branch, ma'am?
I'm currently in CSPS, so that is Computer Science and
Data
Business.
science.
No.
Yes. No.
Computer Science with Business.
CSB.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
No. Thank you, sir.
Next, Pankaj Maurya. Pankaj Maurya.
Hello, hi sir. Good
Yeah.
evening.
Yeah. Good evening.
So myself Pankaj, basically I am just from right now working from Noida.
Okay.
So I'm in DevOps. I'm working for Ericsson.
Okay.
So, but I don't have knowledge of coding. So this is the
No,
new
no,
thing
yeah.
for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I was very curious to learn. So just join.
Okay. Yeah. Your background is
DevOps and system admin, Linux, Windows, and
BTech
Kubernetes,
or
Docker.
BSc or
MSc. I have
MSc.
to
Okay.
MSc. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Raja. KS Raja.
Hi.
Yeah. Yes, you are unmuted.
Yeah, I'm Raja. I just completed schooling, so I just want to know the coding. So I just logged in.
Okay. You are from?
Kanyakumari.
Sorry?
Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next, Rukia Begum.
Hello, hi. I'm
Yeah.
Rukhia Begum Sam. I'm from Hyderabad. I have done Bachelor of Commerce in Computers. So right now I'm pursuing Masters in Cybersecurity in USA. So I want to enhance my skills and get experience in programming. So that is why I have taken Python course.
Okay. So you're doing Masters in Cybersecurity.
Yeah, sir.
MS in Cybersecurity.
Yeah,
Okay. Basically, you're from Hyderabad.
Hyderabad.
Okay. First year or MS?
Second year, sir.
Second year.
It's gonna last in August.
Okay. Yeah, that is
Okay, so to get the experience in programming and prepare for myself for job.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Sure.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Next, Harichandra Habale.
Hi, Akbar.
Yeah.
Sorry, I just joined, so I was not much aware of what is going on. But yeah, I was expecting to learn Python script. Basically, I'm using Python script my infrastructure, and I want to be. I don't want to be the expert in the programming, but at least I want to understand the Python script and basic of Python. So use my current environment.
Okay. Can I know what's your background?
I'm working as an infrastructure administrator, like server and storage infrastructure.
Okay. You're from?
I'm from Pune.
Pune. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Next, Satya Priya. Satya Priya.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I am Satya. I am from Chennai. I'm currently pursuing BTech,
BTech. Okay. BTech, which branch? Which year?
Artificial Intelligence Data Science.
Okay. AIDS. Okay. That's good. Okay. And what about I think somebody is missed. Jhansi Lakshmi Navyasri. Are you there, Jhansi Lakshmi and Navyasri? Both of you are not available. Okay. Yeah. So I hope. Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm
Navyasri. Yeah.
I'm studying BTech second year. I want to learn Python, so I join you.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Rajahmundry.
Rajahmundry. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I hope everyone is familiar with the syllabus, right? So as I mentioned, we'll start from let me explain what we are going to deal with in this. As already I mentioned, almost I'm having 17 plus years of experience. I took almost more than 60-70 batches only in Python itself, and some 50 plus batches in machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence, including generative AI, natural language processing, all this data science, machine learning, even data science also. I took batches from even Australia, UK, and as well as from other countries as well. As far as this Python is concerned, so mostly I took from Australia and India. So almost including this Python, AI, machine learning, deep learning, data science, even data engineering, data analytics. So these are the common courses what I'm going to train. And in the last 17 years, purely I'm into Python, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, natural language processing, data science, data engineering, and even data analytics. So all these AI related stuff courses only I'm going to train, and also I worked as developer for a couple of companies as a ML engineer as well. So that is my background. That is a bit profile about me. So definitely you will be satisfied with these classes. There is no doubt in that because as I mentioned, it's purely hands-on. So if you people are having computer, then it's if you are going to do parallelly also, that is fine. Or at least if you are not able to do hands-on, then at least you practice once the class is done, because attending class is okay, but along with attending the class you need to have at least some time you need to spend for your practice. So that is what the expectation from my side. Okay, so if you attend everything looks like simple, but until unless if you practice something, If you explore something, then only you can learn, because it's a programming, and it's not like something you are listening and you can apply. So here application is very important thing. So getting concept is one thing, and once you get the concept, where you are going to apply, what are all the different applications, maybe real-time applications, or maybe some applications in the society. Okay, in any domain, how can I apply this concept in different domains? So that is where you need to spend lots and lots of time. So this is possible only with in detailed knowledge. If you have only, let's say, some basic knowledge, then it may not be possible to explore and as well as to apply. That's why we'll go more with examples, more real-time examples, the concept followed by real-time examples, and the implementation. The implementation also we are going to do in for every concept, we'll implement that concept so that you can understand the real implementation, and based on that only you will get an awareness of in which application I may use this particular concept. So that is what we need to get from these classes. So this is the basic course content. First, we'll start from very basics from Python, what software you need to install to work with Python. And we'll start with very basics of what are the different basic functions you need to use in Python. Okay. And next, data types, what data types we have in Python, and different types of identifiers. Next, what operators we are going to have in Python. Everything is hands-on. So it's written only theoretical, but for every concept, as I mentioned, for every concept there is a hands-on, so that you must be familiar with that concept, not only in theoretical aspect, and also in as far as implementation is concerned, right? So, and once operators is done, we'll deal with the different types of operators, like arithmetical, relational, logical, and bitwise operators, identity operators, and membership, and um, next we'll focus on different types of practices and identifiers and operators, and next we'll focus on advanced data types. In advanced data types, we'll see what do you mean by list, what do you mean by tuple, what do you mean by sets, what do you mean by dictionary. So these are the advanced data types, and in every advanced data types, we'll see use case of every advanced data type. And after that, we'll see different types of control structures. So in control structures, we'll see what are all the different conditional statements, like starts with simple if statement. What do you mean by simple if? What are the use cases? And what do you mean by if else? What do you mean by else if? And also what do you mean by nested if? Okay. And what are the some jumping statements? What is break? What is continue? And what is pass? And followed by looping statements, like what is a for loop, what is while loop. And next we'll have the concept of functions, right? So what do you mean by basic function, and what are all the different types of functions? We'll discuss about what is built-in function, and how you are going to write your own function, also known as user-defined function, and what type of arguments are there, and what are the different types of functions with respect to arguments, and with respect to the return type, how many types of functions are there. And followed by, we'll see what do you mean by recursion. That is simply an extension to functions concept. And we'll see different types of file operations. So how to manipulate and how to handle a file in Python. And there we'll see different types of operations like read operation, write operation, append operation. And followed by, we'll see what do you mean by directory, how we are going to work with directories in Python. What is a directory? How to create your directory, and how to use a directory, and what is the scope of variables with respect to functions. What is local variable? What is global variable? And also we'll see what are the different types of functions with respect to nested functions. So how can you write nested function? What is the meaning of nested function? So where we are going to use the nested functions, and all the different types of functions with respect to different use cases. Next, we'll see what do you mean by module, and what are all the different types of modules, inbuilt module, and also what do you mean by user-defined module, and where we are going to use the modules, how we are going to use some user-defined module, and also how we are going to use some built-in module, and also followed by what do we mean by package, and what is the use of package, what's the difference between a package and a module, and how to use some built-in packages, the ready-made packages, and how to create your own package in Python, and what is the main use of packages in Python, the main benefits of using modules, the main benefits of writing your own functions, the main benefits of writing your own packages. So all this we see, and the next we'll see the concept of exception handlings. So what is exception? What are the different types of exceptions you have in Python? And how you are going to handle any exception? So if there is any exception happened in your program, how you are going to handle it, and what type of blocks you are going to use to handle any exception. So what do you mean by try block? What do you mean by a catch block? What do you mean by except block? What do you mean by else block? Okay, and finally block. So these are the different exception handling blocks we are going to use. And followed by this, we'll see some sample project. I'll show you some sample projects by using all these concepts with a little bit of interface, user interface. How can you create your own project, and how can you implement your own requirement as a project? Or maybe if you have your own ideas, or I'll share some ideas. We'll do some project, and maybe I'll give some inputs, and maybe you may possibly, if possible, you may work on those inputs. If you are unable to get it, then we'll discuss that sample projects. So this is the overall content of this course. Okay. So let me know any queries from your side.
Hi, sir, Pankaj this side. Yeah. So suppose if I am new in Python, so is it good for me to join this session?
Yeah. This is only for okay. This is actually for beginners only. This course is mainly for beginners. Okay. So who is going to start your career in Python? Whether irrespective of whether you are a student or whether you are already having some experience. But if you are, as I seen, most of the people are going to learn programming to get some expertise in Python. So from your introduction, I observed that most of the people are trying to get some expertise in Python. So definitely the objective of this course is mainly intended for that only. So we'll as I mentioned, we'll start from scratch, irrespective of your background, irrespective of your qualification, okay, and all. So we'll start everything from scratch only, so that you can understand everything, and you are in a position to write some program at the end of at least after 1 week. You are in a position to write at least some small programs, so that you will get an idea where you are, and definitely if you see back maybe after 1 week, you will find some difference where you are, and at least are you getting something from this classes or not.
So I just want to clear. Actually, I had joined a few classes to some place, right? but the way of teaching right now, I am just observing to you. So I think I can understand. I could be able to get
Yeah,
it
there is
quickly.
no doubt. There is no
Yeah.
doubt because already I mentioned I took almost including all the batches, I took almost 100 plus batches from different countries, okay, throughout the globe. Okay. So there is no
Right,
doubt.
right.
I'm sure that 200% I'll give you assurance that we will learn something and you will be satisfied whatever the objective in your mind. Okay. So definitely that will be fulfilled. There is no doubt in that.
Okay, and sir, I just want to confirm one more thing. Classes held in 5 days or 6 days? Could you please confirm? So,
5 days, Monday to Friday.
okay, okay, got it. Okay,
Monday to Friday.
same time, right?
Yeah, mostly same time. If there is any change, okay, let you know. But mostly 99% same time.
No, because I will join the same time because in morning time I do activity for my
No,
project, right?
Time
Yeah, that's
won't
why.
be changed. That's what I'm telling you. Time won't be changed, but if there is any, okay, for example, if there is no class, maybe because of some reason, it is also
Yeah,
to be intimated maybe one day before like that. That's what I'm telling you.
yeah, sure, sure,
Okay,
sure.
if there is any, mostly, okay, there are no disturbances, 99%. But in case if there is any emergency, maybe if that class is not there, then you will get prior information so that you can plan. If there
Okay,
is any
okay,
other
sir.
point.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Any other doubts?
Which time, sir?
9 to 10 p.m. IST.
Sir, I need to pay today only the amount, or tomorrow also I can pay before starting.
Yeah, tomorrow also I think so. You'll have 2 days of time you will be given.
Okay.
Today
Okay.
and tomorrow already. I think some people are already paid. So that is up to you. It's up to you. Maybe today or tomorrow. That is up to you.
So I have one more doubt. Like one of my friend took classes from another lab. So they have like starting they have given proper information and proper training. Afterwards they were like there was like no training at all. So I
No,
don't want like that.
no. It is not going to happen like that because I'm telling you, no. So I'm the trainer. Okay. So there is no
Yeah.
doubt, and if there is, that's why I'm telling you. In the initial class only, I'm telling you if there is any okay disturbance means not disturbance. If there is no class, then you will get prior information. Okay, that's it. That's
Okay.
other than that, you don't find any other difficulty.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no
And like at last we will get certification for everything.
certification. I'm not sure. Okay, so
Because we need to have that, Amazon is providing certification course, Google, but we are coming here because we want our like our
certification means you're asking which certification you're asking.
certificate of completing Python.
That I think that they will give. Actually, I'm not sure because I'm mostly with
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. I think once you complete right on that portal, once you will log in, so you will get the certificate. I have
I think
completed
in
2-3
LMS they are
courses.
giving, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
right.
So maybe in LMS they will give you. Okay, I'm not sure
Okay.
about that because my part is mostly I will be taking care about all the training classes. Okay, so
No, actually, I have completed 2-3 classes, so
okay.
that's why I'm
Yeah,
just
I
telling
think that
you.
is there. I think that is there. Okay,
Okay.
if they're okay, if they're promising, definitely that will be there.
Okay,
That
sir.
is in your login access only they will give you. I think so.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Any more queries?
Yeah, hi, Amber.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is for core level of Python or else in further will involve in advanced level?
As far as this course is concerned, this is core level. Okay, the syllabus whatever I given is core level.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
Which month this course, sir?
This is for 8 weeks. Okay, so here I mentioned, right? I showed you week wise also. This is for 8 weeks course. Approximately have 40 classes. Okay, so this is 8 weeks course. Okay, na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir, sorry to interrupt again. I have
Yeah,
one
yeah.
question.
No problem. Yeah.
So suppose after completing this course, right? So you said so if you are joining the class later, you have to do practice, right? It's not mean you are taking the sessions, right?
Hmm.
So suppose after 4 months, I am able to write code everything. So just I want to learn to you. Suppose I want to memorize things what I have learned previously, right? For a long time. Then what you will suggest to how much time I should give for every day so I can
Yeah, it's a
level.
minimum initial days, maybe minimum 1 hour, 1.5 hour is fine. Okay. But
Okay.
once I got the expertise, okay, my suggestion is programming is actually it's a daily activity. Okay. I can't say that you are supposed to stop at some point of time. It's a continuous practice. At least if there is any possibility, you spend at least 1 day, 1 hour per day.
Okay, because you are saying you are just giving the trainings, right?
No, not trainings, not trainings. Even if you sit in the class, okay, daily you sit in the class with your laptop, okay, even you can do hands-on. That's what I'm telling you. Okay. I'm not
Okay.
going to explain. Theory is very less in my classes. Theory is very less. Okay. So mostly hands-on only. So for hands-on, if you want to do hands-on along with me, so I'll give you that time also. I'll give you enough time for you people. You can do hands-on along with me. Okay. So that if you have any doubts, because maybe initial days, so if you are not having let's say you are not from programming background, you may got many questions. So maybe at the time of class you may understand everything, but in reality when you are practicing you may see many errors, or maybe you may get many issues. So that type of case, what I'm telling is, if you are really having some computer with you, or if you are sit in this class with a laptop, then even I'll wait for you. If you're having any issues, even in live only, I'll resolve your doubts. That's what my suggestion. It may not be possible for all. I know that it may not be possible for all. If it is not possible for all, at least you spend some time after the class. You spend some time and you do some practice, so that at least if you have any doubts in that practice, so you can ask me in the next class. That's what I'm telling you.
Okay. So suppose if I want to mail, suppose if I am stuck someplace, right? So is there any email ID so I can say I am stuck in this place? So
Yeah.
you can
Even I think in your LMS also, I think there is a discussion form. I think so. Or even there's this mail ID is there, support at the the support mail ID you can use. Through that, I'll reach your query. Support at the logiclabstech.com.
Okay. Got it.
So straight away you can mail. Here they are giving. Okay. Just you can mention this is Python course and so trainer name, or they will be giving some ID also, right? For your course, they are giving some ID, right? So straight away you can have, I think 393 or something your ID. Yeah, 393 is your ID. Okay, batch 393. So then you can straight away give some questions, so that straight away it will reaches me.
Okay. And one last question, sir.
Yeah,
Sorry
okay.
for that.
Yeah.
So suppose you told me that means you are also provide the generative AI trainings, right? So later you
Yeah.
are planning to start any training in Logic
Yeah,
Lab?
already I'm doing some other training from Logic Labs only. So that is machine learning. Okay. So already almost that is going to be completed this week. It is already it is from, I think so, November. It started in November. Okay. Maybe that will be over by this weekend.
No,
So,
sir, because I am asking to you because of this, because I had completed one ML ops training. Right now I'm in DevOps, right? So
okay.
Python is mandatory for me, right?
Yeah, yes,
So
yes.
yeah, later it should be go on. People will move into the ML ops, right? So
Mhm.
if any training you are going to start, just let me know after some time, okay? After
Yeah, sure,
completing this course.
sure. Yeah, we'll give you the notification so that you can understand. Or
Sure, sir.
let you know any trainings are there. Already right now, two batches are going. One is for machine learning and one is for this Python. So even deep learning and data science, this generative AI also I'll do. But let me check with these people. So as they are having some other batches in pool, so they may start parallelly or let you know. Okay.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Even
Sure, sir.
you can contact them already. They have given the contact number, right? You can contact through this mobile number or even with mail ID. So you can contact them. There is anything, so you can know,
Sure, sir. Sure.
right?
Sure, sure. Sure. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Any more queries?
Yes, Akbar, Gajapati here.
Yeah.
Just would like to know, why Python has that upper edge compared to Java?
Yeah. The answer is yeah. So of course, this is actually I want to talk about the same thing as it is demo session. Okay, so the reasons are there are a couple of reasons. One of the reason might be, let's say, for example, you want to learn Java, right? For example, you are joined for a Java course. Okay, immediately I'll ask a question. The question is, do you know C++? Okay, so maybe let's say you said no. Then why I'm asking that question? Do you know C++?
Yes, because that is something fundamental to understand better if
Yeah.
you're learning Java.
Yes. So if you know C++, then to understand Java, it's a bit easy. Okay, I'm not telling that if you know C++ directly, you will become an expert. But for you, it's a bit easy to learn Java if you are having some C++ knowledge, right? Or in other words, C++ is simply prerequisite for Java, right? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
But as far as the Python is concerned, so there is no prerequisite even without any programming knowledge, without any computer science background, you can straight away learn Python. So that is one of the advantage for any student or any working people. If they don't have any programming knowledge, if they want to switch to some Python domain, then straight away they can learn. Even if they don't know any programming, straight away they can learn Python. The reason is there are many built-in things are there. In Java, if you want to write a program, you need to learn many things, right? So means Java is also, let's say till 2015, Java dominated the industry, we can say, right? But from the last 7 to 8 years, let's say after 2015, so Python simply overtakes the Java, right? So nowadays, there are many reasons. There are many applications we can do in Python. So it will supports. But as far as the Java is concerned, there is a limitation in support. I may not do all the applications in Java, especially nowadays all the emerging areas like we may heard about artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, okay, IoT, cyber security. All these are all the applications. We do many applications with this emerging areas, and all these are going to require the knowledge of Python only. So Java may not support all these applications, and all the features in Java may not be there to do all these types of applications.
So when you say doesn't support means is it that the required packages are not there in Java, which is available in Python, which helps
that is one reason. And other reason is, even though some packages are available, okay, so they are going to take many number of lines of code as compared with Python. Because as a programmer, what's your objective in general?
to
First, what you
fulfill
look for?
one of the requirement. Yeah.
First, what you look for? For example, I'll give a task. Tomorrow, I'll ask. Okay, can you complete this project? Then what you will do in general? First you search for, is there any possibility? Is it already available ready-made, right?
Right.
So if that is not available ready-made, at least you can search for something which is at least giving some partial support, so that your task will be reduced, your work will be reduced, right?
Right.
So at least if until unless you didn't find anything, okay, zero support, then only you need to start from a scratch, right? Otherwise, if something you found, then maybe if you customize it, if you are able to get the outcome, then that is also fine, because you're not doing from scratch, right?
Right.
So that is what Python is giving. It is giving lots of built-in support, so that we can use it as per our requirement, and we can customize it, so that we'll get whatever the requirement we want. And also it's giving many user-friendly syntax. The syntax also user-friendly. It's not like in Java or other languages. If you did some simple mistake, maybe you're going to get an error. Okay, maybe because you may missed some semicolon, or you may missed some parenthesis. So even that is also creates lots of confusion. Okay. But here the syntax is very simple. As far as the Python is concerned, the syntax is very simple. So of course there are ways. These are the two reasons I think you can understand how it is different. So even most of the programs, what you can write in Java or another language, if you write them in Python, obviously, if Java is going to take, let's say, 100 lines, then Python you can complete it only in 60 to 70 lines. That is what the programmer wants, right?
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
And concern to these emerging technologies like AI, or else that matter, cyber security, all these, they generally prefer Python. Why it's so?
Yeah, it is having a built-in support for every emerging area. Okay, there are many libraries which are available. If I want to work with the data science, okay, then I'll get many built-in libraries for data science support. That is given by the Python.
So does Java doesn't give? Is that correct?
Java Java not going to give those many libraries. Okay. It is going to give some libraries, but it is not having those many libraries, especially as far as the emerging areas are concerned. I'm not talking about other application. Let's
Other
say
areas, yeah.
if you're talking about web application, maybe still I can prefer Java only. Okay, but here we are not talking about web application, right?
Something different, yes.
Yeah. If we are talking about as far as emerging
Mostly
areas,
data.
Yeah. Mostly data related, because nowadays every company is they want to work with data only, right? They want to play with the data only. So then that is the case, then they are not going to use Java. But if they want some traditional website, or if they want to build some traditional mobile app,
application,
then maybe
yeah.
still they may use Java only. That's why I'm not telling that Java is fully degraded. Okay, the importance is always will be there. Okay, the traditional applications, whatever we do with Java, Still they are still,
Leaders.
yeah, they are with Java only. We are in that
Mm.
case, this is not replaceable. Python is not replaceable. But as far as the data is concerned, and as far as
Python is okay.
intelligence is concerned, and all this, we are going to use Python.
Okay. Thank you, Akbar.
Yeah. Any more queries?
Hello.
Yes.
Akbar, the hands-on one while you are doing, can I use the Windows OS?
Yeah, Windows only. Yes.
Oh, okay. So you will guide us in the first class that how to
Yes.
install
Yeah.
and everything, correct?
I'll let you know. Tomorrow I'll let you know what softwares you are supposed to use, and all the softwares are open source only. Okay. And even I'll show you how you are going to download, and everything I'll explain from scratch. Okay. If possible, that's why I'm telling you, if you are having a computer or laptop with you, you can join for these classes. Without hesitation, you can join with your computer or laptop. Okay, so that you can do everything hands-on. So if it is not possible, then maybe what you will do is you can have a this recording session you need to go through once, and you need to spend some separate time so that you can practice. So either way is okay, but if it is comfortable to join with the laptop, then my suggestion is just you join with your laptop. You will get something by the end of the class.
Okay. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
Because I need to do practical.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
that's what.
correct.
Because most of the people hands-on they may be interested in, right?
Okay.
So
Then the
that is
payment link in the WhatsApp message, if I click that one, I can pay through that, correct?
yes, I think so. Yeah. So
And how do I need to pay in Indian rupees or in USD?
I think for US charges only, they are charging in dollars, and in
For
if you are from
Indian
India,
people?
if you are from India, then they are charging in Indian rupees.
Okay. So how to approach it? Just click the link, it will go.
Sorry. Okay.
Just
So if you
click the
don't mind, can
payment
you
link.
call these numbers? Then you just
Which
note
number?
down.
Oh, this number. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me.
If you have any queries regarding payment also, you can approach them.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Any more queries from remaining people? So as it is first demo class, just I'm taking your inputs, and so that it's better for me also to take various opinions from different peoples from a different background. Any more queries? Okay, so if you don't have any queries, then I'll stop here. So tomorrow, same time, we'll meet, and from tomorrow, I'll start the actual content. What softwares we need to have in your computer, and how can we proceed the things, right? So any more doubts? Let me wait for 2 minutes here.
Akbar, yeah, mine. Concerning to this programming, generally it is so-called is bit of logically, right? I mean, you get a requirement, then you try to write the code to fulfill that requirement. So it's evident that one should be try to have that sort of logical mindset. So what is the connection to develop that logical thought process in programming? Just generally, because you have a highly into this programming domain, and you're also working with needs skills. So how one can develop?
Yeah, the thing is first simple. Okay. For example, most of the people the problem is,
Yeah,
maybe,
yeah.
for example, if I given some mathematical problem, okay,
Mhm.
everyone is going to solve it if you are from mathematics background, right?
Correct.
But if I asked you, can you convert the same mathematical problem into a code? So I think even 5% also not able to convert.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay. So that is where the problem will comes. So this problem may be because of various reasons. One of the reason, as of my experience, what I observed is lack of understanding. Okay.
Of what?
Understanding of what is happening in programming, because conversion, you are able to solve 100 problems in mathematics, but you are unable to convert one problem into a program. So if you know step-by-step process in the solution in mathematics, then if you are able to write some algorithm, same algorithm step by step, then if you know, then that is what program, right? Just algorithm if you write, then you can use a specific language, maybe Python or Java, whatever it may be. The language, only the syntax is different, right?
Exactly.
So that is
Yeah,
what
same like control structure which you have worked through. Like most of the programming language is having same thing which you have shown as a content.
that is what it's not about the specific, okay, the generalized. That's why I'm talking about not language, it's about the algorithm. If you are able to convert that into algorithm, then that algorithm to program is not a difficult thing. So but for that you need lots and lots of the knowledge, the conceptual understanding is very important. Okay.
Okay.
So if you are not good in concept, then definitely you are unable to convert that into a code.
Okay.
Conceptual understanding definitely is going to play a vital role to convert any problem statement into code.
Okay. So the basic building blocks has to understand, and then on top of that.
Yes, definitely.
But there will be struggling. I mean, to
No, that
develop
will comes through practice only. It
by
may not
practice.
happen in 1 day or 2 days. Okay.
Correct.
It's through practice only. That's why I mentioned. So even it is a continuous practice. Programming is a continuous practice. Okay. Whether you do 1 program or 2 programs per day, but my suggestion is do continuously. So that you will get a better understanding. You will get a better problem solving skills.
It's okay. So for that also, yeah, another thing to clarify, like, is there any resource material also?
No, it's not resource material. It's all depending on your ability. Okay, it's all depends on your logical thinking. It's all depends on your problem solving. But for that, the conceptual understanding, you need to understand the concept thoroughly.
Okay. No, are you also going to share some resource materials on the topic
For
or
every class, I'll share material.
Okay.
Okay, so
Based on that, it will start developing. And the
yes.
last one, do PySpark is different from Python?
Yeah, that is bit different. Yes.
That's completely okay. But is it also programming language, PySpark?
Yeah, that is totally different. So that is with extension we can say.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll stop here. So if you have any queries, we'll see tomorrow.